Hey guys, it's Deana, and today I'm making shrimp pad thai for dinner. If you enjoy cooking with me, don't forget to hit the like button below, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you get alerts on new videos. Written recipes can be found on my website. And don't forget to follow me on IG. Pad thai is one of my favorite noodles to eat. The best part is it's super easy to make on a busy weeknight. Here's my super easy recipe for you to enjoy. Don't shy away from the list of ingredients. It doesn't take long at all to prepare. And the funny thing is, I find myself ordering pad thai mostly at my favorite pho restaurant. I don't know why they have it on their menu, but they do, and it's in their dry noodle section. So when we take the family out to eat, and the kids want pho, or my husband wants a combo plate, I'll order the pad thai if I'm not feeling like pho or a combo plate. Alright, let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need to make the pad thai. I know it feels like a lot of ingredients, but trust me, it goes really fast, and it is not as scary as it looks right now on my table. The first thing we'll want to prepare is the rice noodles. We need to soak it for 15 to 20 minutes in really warm water. Not boiling hot water, but really warm water. What it's going to do is it's going to hydrate the noodles and make it pliable. So my trick is I boil the water in the kettle and then I let it sit for about 10 minutes. So then it comes to a nice temperature that won't overcook the noodles. After 15 to 20 minutes, the noodles will have softened and become pliable. At this point, we'll drain it and then set it aside for later to cook. Let's prepare the eggs. These eggs are actually from my chicken in my backyard. Double yolks, score! Season the eggs lightly with salt and pepper, just a dash of each. Give the eggs a good mix with a whisk or chopsticks, fork, whatever you want to use. Let's prepare some of the fresh stuff. Cut the lime into wedges. I'm only going to need half a lime since there's only 4 of us at home eating. Next, thinly slice 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Check it out, our noodles are ready to be drained and set aside for cooking later. The noodles shouldn't stick to one another at all. If they do, then they've been soaking for too long. Next, we'll need half an onion or 2 shallots. Slice up the garlic chives into 2-inch pieces. Slice the scallions diagonally. We're going to be using this to garnish the finished pad thai later on. This is the lightly fried tofu that I'll be using today. I'm going to use 2 pieces, which is about 7 ounces. Cut each piece in half and then into thin slices. Let's prepare the eggs. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Let the oil warm up and then add the egg mixture. Scramble the eggs and then set them aside. Let's make the most important part, the sauce. Here's the sauce base. I have some cooking tamarind concentrate. You're going to need about 4 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 4 tablespoons of brown sugar to balance out all the saltiness. Mix really well to incorporate all the flavors. Using the same pan from before, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the shrimp in when the oil warms up, and 5 tablespoons of pad thai sauce mixture, and sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Shrimp will be cooked when they curl up and are no longer translucent. They are more opaque in color. Alright, it's time to put all of it together. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil or olive oil into the pan. Add the sliced garlic cloves and the sliced onions. Saute them for a few minutes on medium-high heat. My family prefers cooked bean sprout over raw bean sprout, so I will be adding them into the cooking pan along with the onions and garlic. You can leave it fresh and raw on the side when you serve your pate, unless you want it cooked like that. Time to add the noodles. Loosen them up a little bit, toss them in, and then loosen up a little more. Add the pad thai sauce over the noodles, every single drop. We want as much flavor as possible. In addition, we'll need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil or cooking oil. Toss the noodle around to distribute the sauce evenly. Add the sliced tofu from earlier. Add the scrambled eggs. Continue to toss the noodles around so that everything is nicely distributed, as well as to prevent burning. Add the cooked shrimps. Give it a good stir so that everything is well distributed. Toss in the chopped garlic chives. And that's it for the cooking part, guys. We're now ready for plating, my favorite part, because we're that much closer to the eating. I really enjoy plating because it feels like I'm creating works of art that are edible. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope that you've enjoyed cooking with me and that you continue to practice to become the master chefs in your own home. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts and reminders on my new videos. Hit that like button below to show your support. Written recipes are available on my website at www.deanathai.com. Follow me on Instagram at lifestyles_with_Deana. Until next time, my friends, goodbye.